Hi, my name is Cleo de Laet. I'm a Belgian designer and I have a small clothing brand based in Copenhagen. If you have a look on my website, then you can see that all the designs that I make are both for sale as finished pieces, like the dress that I'm wearing or the dress over here. And for those who really like to sew, they can buy the sewing kits that includes the textiles, the pattern, the zippers, the button, actually everything you need to make the designs yourself. I will make a series of videos explaining for each garment how to complete it step by step, and I will zoom in on the more difficult techniques as well. So even if you're a beginner or if this is new for you, this might be very helpful to complete the designs. If anything is unclear, then don't hesitate to put a comment below the video or to send me a message. And I hope you guys just have fun with it, and I hope I might inspire some people.